Today I'm going to teach you how to hide text in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to remove sensitive information from documents before sharing them, ensuring privacy and security. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature isn't available in the standard reader. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen where you can access all your recent files and tools. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document where you want to hide text. This could be a contract, report, or any document containing information you need to redact. Click on it to open the file in the main viewing area. Now, in the upper left panel, click on All Tools. This will display the complete range of editing and modification options available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. The All Tools view is your gateway to advanced features that go beyond simple PDF viewing. In the left panel, click on View More. This expands additional tools that might not be immediately visible. Look for Redact to PDF and click it. The Redact tool is specifically designed for permanently removing sensitive information from your documents, making it impossible to recover the hidden text. Once the Redact tool is active, in the left panel, click Redact Text and Images. This activates the selection mode, allowing you to choose exactly what content you want to hide. Your cursor will now be ready to select text for redaction. Highlight the text you want to hide by clicking and dragging over it. You'll notice the selected text gets marked with a dark overlay, indicating it's been targeted for redaction. This is a crucial step because once you apply the redaction, the text will be permanently removed from the document. If you have multiple sections to hide, repeat these steps as needed. You can mark as many text blocks or images as necessary before applying the changes. Take your time to ensure you've selected everything that needs to be hidden, as this process is irreversible once completed. When you're satisfied with your selections, in the bottom left panel, click Apply. This is the moment where the redaction takes effect, so double-check your selections before proceeding. A confirmation message will pop up warning you that this action cannot be undone. Click Continue to proceed with the redaction. Adobe wants to make sure you understand that the hidden text will be permanently removed from the document. Next, select where you want to save the file from your computer folders. It's good practice to save the redacted version as a new file rather than overwriting the original, just in case you need the unredacted version later. Finally, rename the file name if needed, perhaps adding something like redacted to clearly identify it, then click Save. Your PDF is now securely saved with all sensitive text permanently hidden. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.